What's the meaning of accusatory? Accusatory. 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 The adjective accusatory describes something that contains or suggests an accusation. It can be used to describe a person's tone of voice, a look, or even a statement. For example, you might say that someone has an accusatory tone of voice if they are speaking to you in a way that suggests that you are guilty of something. Or, you might say that someone gave you an accusatory look if they looked at you in a way that suggested that they thought you had done something wrong. Here are some examples of how the word accusatory can be used in a sentence. The police officer's accusatory tone of voice made me feel like I was guilty of something. The woman gave me an accusatory look when I walked by her. The senator's accusatory speech accused the president of corruption. When used in a sentence, the word accusatory can help to create a sense of tension or conflict. It can also be used to convey a sense of suspicion or distrust.